What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Gemini to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to create a new workflow. For that, you need to click on add first step and then search for Gemini. After that, here you will see Google Gemini. Click on this and then you need to choose any action. I am choosing message a model. After that, here you will see a new page. So just click on this credential to connect with and then click on create new credential. After that, you will require an API key, and to get the API key, you need to head over to the aistudio.google.com and then your tab, and then you need to click on create API key, and then you need to name your API key. And after naming your API key, you just need to select a cloud project, and after selecting a cloud project, here you can just simply import it, and after importing it, you need to click on create key, and after clicking on create key, here a new key will be created. So you just need to copy this, and after copying the API key, you need to head back to n8n and then paste the API key, and then you need to click on save to save it. And as you can see, the credential has been successfully created and the credential or connection has been tested successfully. And finally, you have connected your Google Gemini with n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.